Even if you love your regular job, you might still be curious about how it feels to be your own boss. Isn't self-employment really a dream of many of us? Even if it comes with a few challenges, the advantages still outweigh the cons of being your own boss. In this video, let's talk about the 7 advantages of being your boss. Let's get started. The majority of employees are now preferring self-employment over conventional jobs. The trend of starting your own business or the idea of becoming self-employed was never as common as it has become today. With so many benefits and ease of working, most people prefer self-employment over a regular job. The new generation is more inclined towards entrepreneurship, and you can witness hundreds of success stories around you. Being the owner of your own business has to be the best option for being financially stable and having different earning streams. As the owner of a business, a person tends to stay motivated for a much longer time and come up with more new and great ideas when it comes to expanding and developing the business. When a conventional job holder and a business owner are compared, a self-employed person will always have more advantages over anyone else. Self-employed people tend to think big and reap better results. In short, the mindset of a self-employed person is very different from others, and that's the same mindset that leads people like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Jeff Bezos to build their business empires. If they can do that, you can too. Number 1. You get to control your own schedule. A 9-to-5 job demands a fixed schedule, a schedule fixed by others, and you are forced to follow it, even if it doesn't fit well with your lifestyle. However, it's not the case when it comes to self-employment. Yes, you'll still need to have a proper schedule as things may go downhill if you work without any fixed timeline. But the good thing is that you are the boss of your schedule, and you can change and adjust it according to your requirements. Regular job timings often don't allow a person to enjoy some me time, or you simply can't attend important occasions, because your boss won't allow you to go home early. But what happens when you are the boss? You can give yourself permission to go home early whenever you want to. This is genuinely the most appealing perk of being your own boss, and we love the fact that one can carry their work with them even when going on a vacation. But one thing to keep in mind here is that, even as a boss, you can't give yourself too many vacations. Keeping a balance between your work and personal life is crucial when it comes to self-employment. So, make sure you are not overdoing any of it. Number 2. You get to earn more. We get that business owners are normally more vulnerable to financial losses, but it's not the loss that comes after you most of the time. Instead, you can end up making unlimited streams of earning money. A conventional job only offers you a fixed amount of money depending on the number of hours you work. However, on the other hand, an entrepreneur is capable of earning substantial profits, which are obviously much higher than the fixed salary, once they succeed in setting up their companies effectively and efficiently. Another great thing about being a business owner is that you can benefit from several tax advantages, despite paying higher Medicare and Social Security rates. You get to hire your own family members in your company, and no one can question that because you are the owner, after all. Some more factors such as delaying or accelerating some specific expenditures, or writing off a greater variety of business expenditures can also dramatically reduce the burden tax payments put on you. Number 3. You get to give back to your employees and your community. Let's agree on something as former 9-to-5 job workers today. We've all had that one conventional job where the working environment was more like a jail than an office. For some, that very job ended up becoming the motivation behind becoming their own boss. Because why not? Being the boss and owning your own business means you are the one who gets to decide what kind of working environment you'll provide to your employees. Not only do you provide people with job opportunities, but you also get the opportunity to become their favorite employer. This way, you earn for yourself and give back to others and the national and local economy. Not just that, there are other ways to provide opportunities for others as a business owner as well. Apart from creating jobs, you can offer internships for fresh graduates and mentoring lessons for the local kids. As an entrepreneur, you can also take part in charity events and even sponsor charity events on your own. Being your own boss allows you to become a good citizen and help others grow along with you. Today, many businesses are working hard to incorporate social changes in their business models, and you, as your own boss, get to choose the same. Number 4. Enjoy the creative freedom. When you start your own business and become your own boss, you also make the vital decision of what kind of products and services your company will provide to the customers. Not just that, you also get to decide when and how you want to deliver these services or products. You don't even need to strictly stick with these rules, because as the boss, You are the one to decide when to bring changes to these rules regulations. You can even decide whether you want to add more services or products to the list, and expand your business. At the same time, if something doesn't get a good response from the customers, you can completely replace it with another. In short, you get to choose every single thing. Being behind the wheel allows you to act on hunches, take risks, make guesses, and simply go for it. Not being answerable to any higher-ups makes you feel safe and confident with your own decisions. Number 5. A more meaningful life welcomes you. As Confucius said, choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life honestly. His statement holds great merit. A job that doesn't make you happy will never be something that makes you enjoy life either. It's human nature to be more indulged in things that we love, while a job that isn't much of your interest will only drain your energy. When a person becomes self-employed, they get to choose what field they want to enter. The field of their choice and interest makes their work way more meaningful to them. We ask you, what would you like? A business that you love and handle according to your own choices? Or a job that only makes you feel tired and exhausted just because you are not passionate about it? Being your own boss will provide you with self-confidence and self-worth, which in itself is a tremendous boost because you believe in yourself, in the commitment, and the cause wholeheartedly. Number 6. No one can fire you, meaning guaranteed employment protection. The fact that no one can fire the boss remains constant regardless of what services you provide or what products you sell. As long as your business keeps making profits, your job is secure. Not just that, you are also in charge of the employment of your employees. Meaning you decide whether an employee will be working with you in the coming years or not. Even at times when the business faces some loss, and the income lowers down. You, as the boss, can still take all the matters into your hands, and initiate recovery using whatever strategy you want to apply. However, this same thing can't be said about an employee, even if the job is contract-based. Any issue can arise at any time, and a conventional job holder can lose the job in a matter of minutes. Number 7. You get to choose your place of work. The number one advantage of being self-employed is that you can build your office wherever you want. You don't want to go somewhere to get the work done, do it from home. Being your own boss allows you to choose whether you want your business to be remotely handled, or have a headquarters to make it look like a conventional company. You can even keep in touch with your business while enjoying a nice sunbath at the beach of Hawaii. Not just that, flexible working helps reduce stress and provides you with higher job satisfaction. And if we talk about productivity, it'll also go higher with such working conditions. Not everyone likes to wake up at 6 a.m. and prepare to go sit in that single cubicle just to earn a fixed limited amount of money. Some want to work from wherever and whenever they want to, and that, we say, is a boss mindset. With all this, we can definitely say that being self-employed may be risky, but once you get a hold of it, it's totally worth it. If you are looking into the possibilities of becoming a self-employed person, go for it. With this, it's a wrap, fam. We'll be back with more content soon. So, don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified about the new videos. Till next time, goodbye.